Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening a Labubu. This is our first one, and this is from the Big Into Energy series. These are from Pop Mart, but if you're familiar with Labubus, they're very hard to get a hold of. They sell out all the time. You have to have the app. It's like this whole process. I ordered this one from Jane.com. I've ordered tons of stuff from them before. This is directly from Pop Mart. It is not a knockoff or anything like that. And there's a few different ways you can tell. One way to tell is there is a QR scanner, and if you scan it with your phone and go to that link, you could see it's taking you directly to Pop Mart, their official website. So it is scanning correctly. This is the one my daughter wanted the most. There's 6 different ones and then a mystery one, so technically 7 you could collect. There is love, hope, serenity. We have luck, happiness, and loyalty, and then a secret one. She wants, is it luck?
Yeah, luck and the secret.
That one or this one?
The
That's what we're hoping for.
actually supposed to be gray with rainbow.
Oh, that would be pretty.
Yeah, I know what it looks like because I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I have been begging for this
for one of these
for like over a month. So if this is real, I'm probably gonna be shrieking for 2.5 hours.
Yes, try to spare their ears though, because you do shriek very loud. We have a pull tab here. And apparently there's a card in here, so we're not going to look at the card if we see it, because that'll spoil it. But let's take a look.
We can look at it after we see what Labubu is.
All right. So looking into it, we see this colorful bag. Oh, there is a card. I don't know if it tells you directly, or if you have to flip it over, but we're not going to look at that. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is what the packaging looks like. She's jumping up and down in her chair. She's so excited. Okay, there is a pull tab here. I'm gonna have you close your eyes and put your hand in here. Here, give me your hand. Pull it out slowly. Ooh, that is a really pretty one. Is that luck? No, that's serenity. That's the green one.
We have to count the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how much they're supposed to be.
So that is, there's a couple ways to tell if it's a real and official one. And one of the ways is it has exactly 9 teeth. So as you can see there, all 9 teeth. This is so cute. On the bottom of its foot, it does have Pop Mart. It's very soft.
I know.
I like that it's like different shades of green, kind of like tie-dyed throughout. And then this is really heavy metal clip. It says the monsters on it. These are very popular right now and very hard to get. So there are some tags on here that says the monsters. Of course, we have another Pop Mart one with something else you can scan. I'm sure that just goes to their website again, but we can double check. Yep, popmart.com, and then it brings us to the website. That is super cute. Are you happy with this color?
Yes.
I think it's cute.
I like all of them, and they're very cute and colorful, so I'm actually not angry. Plus, they're super fluffy, and I love the colors.
I know.
Plus, teal is one of my favorite colors, so I really like it.
Me too. I didn't realize on the back of it, it does say Pop Mart on the back of the tag. And then one ear's a darker color green, one's lighter. Yep. I like their eyes too.
Yeah, all of them have different colors, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, and they have like a little bit of a shimmer to it. And then the one green tooth. Oh my God, I just noticed. He matches my nails kind of.
Oh yeah, can I tell you guys
something
funny? Real quick?
Sure.
Like half of the people in my school, even a boy, has Labubu.
Even first and second graders have Labubus on their backpack?
Yeah, and there's this girl named Stella at my school, and she has a Coca-Cola Labubu, but I don't know if it's fake or not.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it is because that Labubu had without scanning it with
Did you see its
UV.
hand?
Yeah, they're cute.
But the toes are done. They're painted. How adorable. So excited we forgot to show you the card. There is one of those little pouches in there that you toss. The card says Serenity. It is kind of glossy if you turn it to the side. And then on the back it says Big Into Energy, Pop Mart. So that is what we have today. These are a good size too. It like takes up the entire length of my hand. Very cute. I will link below where I got this one. So it is a little bit more expensive than going directly to Pop Mart, but shipping's included in that price. And like I said, I've been trying to order these from Pop Mart and they sell out instantly. You have to download the app, it freezes on you. So it's, in my opinion, if you're looking for one of these, better to go to jane.com, pay a little bit more, get that shipping included in there, and then get your Labubu literally in a couple of days. It's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.